I am going to show you how to set wallpaper in iPhone. This process is simple and easy. The only thing is open your mobile phone settings. Now scroll down and here you can find the option of wallpaper. Click on it. Now these are my current wallpapers and I can set this on my home screen and also on my lock screen. In order to add your own photos, you have to click on this option add new wallpaper. And on the top you will see some option of photos, people, photo shuffle. And these are the iPhone made wallpapers. You can use it, but if you want to use your own pic as a wallpaper, then click on this option photo. And here you have to choose your photo. Just for example, I will select this one. And the last thing you have to do is click on the option add, which is on the right top. And once you will click on it, this pic will be set to my home screen and also on my lock screen. So that's why I'm clicking on add. The last thing you have to do is click on the option set as wallpaper pair. And you can see this pic has been added on my home screen. Let me go back and here you can see my wallpaper has been changed. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.